Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is absolutely perfect for cleaning your floors. My whole house has hardwood floors in tile, and so this is absolutely perfect for me. I love it. It gets rid of all the gunk and dirt and stuff. And it is a professional steam mop. As you can see, it is right here next to me. This was sent over by a company called Aspiron. It's going to come obviously with some instructions. We're covering all the features right here in the video. Now, in addition to this, you are going to get a little kind of measuring cup here that goes up to 250 milliliters. This just makes it a little bit easier to fill up the water reservoir. You could choose to use this or you have your own device, but it makes it easy to pour into the hole. And then finally, you're gonna get two nice little reusable cleaning pads. Now each cleaning pad is about 11.5 inches wide and about 6.5 inches tall. You can easily throw these in the washing machine on cold and go ahead and clean them up so they look like brand new. They're simply just going to attach to the device via Velcro on the bottom. Super easy to utilize. But as you can see here, standing next to me is the mop itself. It does stand upright for storage, which makes it great. Also, another nice thing is it does have built into the backside, it has a nice cord management, so you can just simply roll it up. You don't have to worry about cords or anything like that rolling around. Now on the top middle part of it, I should say, there is a nice little blue part. That is what you're going to fill up the water for the water tank. It's going to hold about 12 ounces of water in here. So just fill it up and that's what's going to produce the steam. It does heat up super fast. Once you plug this in, it just plugs into a standard outlet. It's going to heat up within about 25 seconds and it gets to a total temperature of about 248 degrees Fahrenheit. So it gets nice and warm. Which is great. It heats up with a 1300 watt basically motor if that is important to you. There is the power button right there on the front, turns on and off, so very, very easy to turn and utilize. Now on the front part, you can see here is the kind of another little mechanism, and this is also another reservoir. What's cool about this is you can put any cleaning detergent in here. So if you got extra little kind of sticky parts or dirt parts and you want to go ahead and spray it, you can do that. There is basically another tank for that. And then there's a little foot pedal button on the left-hand side. Simply press your foot on that and it'll squirt. Now, as far as getting under tight spaces, as you notice, this thing folds almost completely flat here. So it does fold 90 degrees. It gets very low profile so you can get underneath furniture. And then it swivels almost 180 degrees. So it's very, very easy to utilize and get nice coverage. On the bottom part, you can see you got a little plastic piece here. So you can also take off the little plastic part here, which is the carpet glider. So you only need that if you're utilizing carpet. Otherwise, you get a nice large surface here as far as the cleaning pad. This is all held with Velcro. So simply twist that, pull that right on off. And now you're gonna have the bottom compartment, which is where all the steam comes out. Now, as far as floor types, you can utilize this on hardwood floors. You can utilize this on stone, marble, basically any tiles. You can even utilize this on carpet if it's like the low profile carpet, like rugs, for example. It works well on that as well. But like I said, I use it in my kitchen to clean all the tile floors, and I also have used it on my hardwood floors, and it works absolutely great. But overall, it's very, very easy to use. I love the fact that it has a separate water tank from a detergent tank. Very lightweight, easy to carry around. So if you are in the market and you are looking for a great professional level steam mop, this one, totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.